Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. Given log 2 base 10 is equal to a and log 3 base 10 is equal to b, if 3 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 45, find value of x in terms of a and b. They are asking. So guys, what is given to you? Log of 2 base 10 is equal to a is given to you. And log of 3 base 10 is equal to b is given to you. And what has been asked to you? 3 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 45 is also given. The value of x in the terms of a plus b is asked to us. So let's simplify it further. Can I write it like 3 to the power x multiplied by 3 to the power 2 is equal to 45 it will be. Better we will take log on both these sides. With which base will be going to take log on both these sides? Guys will be going to take log with the base 3 on both the sides. So it can be written by me log of 3 to the power x plus 2 base 3 is equal to log of 45 base 3, which can be written by me x plus 2 is equal to log of 3 square multiplied by 5 base 3. That means x plus 2 is equal to log of 3 square base 3 plus log of 5 base 3, and that will become x plus 2 is equal to 2 plus log of 5 base 3. So this 2 will be getting cancelled with this 2. So x will be becoming what? Log of 5 base 3. So exactly I would have to get the value of log of 5 base 3. As soon as I will get the value of log of 5 base 3, I would be going to get the value of x over here. That is awesome, sir. But can I see a 5 over here? No. Can I see a 5 over here? That means I would have to generate 5 over here. So how will be going to generate? Can I take it like this? 1 upon log of 10 base 2 is equal to a will be written by me. Or 1 upon a is equal to log of 10 base 2 will be written by me, or 1 upon a is equal to log of 2 multiplied by 5 base 2 will be written by me, or 1 upon a is equal to log of 2 base 2 plus log of 5 base 2 will be written by me. So how it will be going to help us, sir? You will be able to get it. 1 upon a is equal to 1 plus log of 5 base 2. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now let's proceed further, sir, and help us to simplify it more. So how will be going to write log of 5 base 2 only if it is asked to us, sir? Be writing 1 upon a minus 1, and that will become what? 1 minus a divided by a is equal to log of 5 base 2. Log of 5 base 2. Hope you guys would have got my point. Log of 5 base 2 value it will be becoming like this. Now my dear students, log of 3 base 10. I'll be going to change the base. I'll be going to write it like log of 3 base 2 divided by log of 10 base 2 is equal to b. Because I want log of 5 base 3, so I would have to get the 5 over here. I was not able to get 5, so I introduced a 2. I introduced a 2 in the base. So what will be written by me? Log of 3 base 2 divided by, okay guys, what is the value of 1 upon log of 10 base 2? We know it as a over here. So can I write like 1, this thing is written multiplied by 1 upon log of 10 base 2. 1 upon log of 10 base 2 is equal to what do we know? Is equal to b we know. So log of 3 base 2 multiplied by 1 upon log of 10 base 2 is equal to a it will be. So b will be written by me over here. So log of 3 base 2 will be becoming what? It will be becoming b upon a over here. Hope you guys would have got my point. So log of 3 base 2 we know, sir. Log of 5 base 2 also we know. Okay, how it can be proceeded by me is this can be written by me like this. Now how can I use these two values to get the value of log of 5 base 3? Guys, just divide first expression and second expression. That is 1 by 2 when you'll be writing. So what will be writing? Log of 5 base 2 divided by log of 3 base 2 can be written by me as log of 5 base 3, and that values we are knowing already, that is b divided by a whole divided by 1 minus a divided by No, reciprocals you have to write 1 minus a divided by a, 1 minus a divided by a whole divided by b divided by a. So a would be getting cancelled with a. So 1 minus a divided by b, 1 minus a divided by b will be the value of log of 5 base 3. And guys, that is only the value of x we have. So what will be the final answer for this question? 1 minus a divided by b will be the final answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, because we know no x is equal to log of 5 base 3. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students. So which option will be going to mark? Option B will be going to mark.